warning remains in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 4 a.m. Wednesday. Timing: a mix of rain and snow is likely to develop early this evening before turning to all snow tonight. Snow is then likely to continue through Tuesday before diminishing Tuesday evening. The snow will be heavy at times, especially from late tonight into Tuesday afternoon. Wind/visibility: winds will strengthen tonight from the northeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour, before becoming northerly at 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to around 40 miles per hour on Tuesday. The combination of heavy snow and strong winds will result in blizzard or near blizzard conditions with blowing and drifting snow for a prolonged period of time. Even though winds will diminish somewhat on Tuesday night, areas of blowing and drifting snow will still be possible. Snow accumulations: storm total snowfall amounts up to 9 to 13 inches are likely, with locally higher amounts possible. This is NOAA All Hazards radio station KIH 61 serving the following counties in Nebraska and Iowa: Douglas, Sarpy, Washington, Cass, Odo, Burt, Dodge, Saunders, Harrison, Pottawatomie, and Mills. Blizzard information for the following counties in Nebraska: Burt, Cumming, Stanton, Thurston, and Wayne. Blizzard warning remains in effect from midnight tonight to 4 a.m. Wednesday. Timing: snow, possibly mixed with rain initially, is likely to develop tonight, with snow continuing into Tuesday.